Hello, welcome to Ready Rig Reviews. I have a great product for you today. This comes from TrailGear. It is a 4-quart oil carrier. They have a 2-quart or a 6-quart. I opted to go with the 4-quart, and what it does is it holds your oil nice and firm wherever you want to mount it in your truck. This retails for $75. It's CNC laser cut, and it's made out of 16 gauge steel. It has pre-drilled mounting holes, so there's 6 in the back here, 4 on the bottom, or you could just weld it right into your rig. That's why they ship it to you bare metal. I put a light coat of black on it just because I know it'd be sitting in the garage for a while until I was ready to mount it. I really like it. It's simple, it's convenient, and it's super easy to mount, super easy to find a nice spot for it in the back of my truck so that my oil is not bouncing around. Usually I kind of put all of my liquids in kind of the corner of my truck, and hopefully it doesn't bounce or spill anywhere. But this is definitely going to make a huge difference. And it comes with this great lock right here. So this lock is a spring draw latch, 200-pound brake force. So there's a nice little push in here that you have to unlock, and then this thing pops up. It's got a great latch right here, and this thing is made perfectly, like I said, CNC laser cut, and so it's super simple to get on and off. But once you get these quarts in here, it really locks these things down. I have 4 quarts right here. I really want to show you how to put these things in here. Obviously it's very simple, but I have 4 different types of quarts. So this has a big top right here, like a big knob, and this is what is this, Yamalube for my R1 here. So let's throw this in. I got another one for my girlfriend's car here. It has the small lid, so that can go in right here. Some transmission fluid. I definitely take transmission fluid with me wherever I go on the trail. And another one, another transmission fluid. So this is another big top here. And I'm just trying to show you that different tops right here still fit this. So I'm gonna hook this in, make sure we're all in here nice and snug. Let's see what's going on. All right, and all I'm gonna do is latch that. Now check this out. Nothing is moving but the liquid. So these things are not moving at all. So if you have this firmly mounted into your truck, this stuff is not going anywhere. It's not spilling. The caps are actually getting held in. So I'm really excited about this product. I cannot wait to mount it into my truck. There really isn't going to be anything that's going to fail on this besides my mounting that I do to it. So like I said, there's a 2-quart and there's a 4-quart like this, and there's a 6-quart. Go check them out on TrailGear. The website, it's super easy, super simple. Type in oil carrier, and like I said, this one goes for 75 bucks. But the 2-quart is a little bit cheaper, and the 6-quart is a little bit more expensive. But this thing is great, and thank you TrailGear for sending this out to me. I can't wait to mount this in my truck. Go get yours.